Hello guys, my name is Jean-Sébastien Sean, and today I'm proud to introduce you the cloud service from NeoJack. This will let you make your servers really easily as a cloud service and everything installs for yourself. So first thing to do is go onto the neojack.com website. You can see the address here. I'll write it down in the comments below. And then you'll need to choose your package. So the first one here, Atavism Cloud at $25. This is good for 10 connections. So you can have a player base of 50 players, let's say, but only 10 can connect at the same time on your server. Also, there's a limit of, I think, 300 mobs that can be spawned at the same time on your server at all time. Then you can go with the Atavism Cloud Plus. This is 50 connections. Then the Cloud Pro, I don't really remember, and then you have the Atavism Cloud Ultra. These are all different connection, different type of number of mobs and connection you can have. So you just might want to take a look exactly what it does. Going down, it's going to say exactly what you're. So this is 1,000 users, and allows like 1,400,000 mobs that you can spawn mobs like on your server. So once you've selected your package and you've bought it, you need to go on your Atavism panel. So this is the A panel. So if I go to Atavism Online, and then go click here, and I'll sign in. And if I remember my password, it would help. Okay, good. Now if you go down to my license, after you've bought your Atavism Cloud, you'll have like your package available here. I'll hide them. I'll hide those when I'll publish a video. And you click Create Atavism Cloud Server. Then it's gonna ask you a couple of information. So this is the name you want or your server role. So let's say demo. The MySQL username. Please take note, this is a maximum of 16 characters. This is MySQL by default. So let's call it demo also. Password, I'll just use one of my favorite passwords I use everywhere. And let's do a database prefix. These will have a check mark saying that they're all okay. That means nobody has ever used the name demo and the database prefix demo. So I'll click Launch Server. And it's going to take about 2 minutes for the server to install everything. While we're doing that, what I'll do is I'll open Unity. And drag it back down here. Let me do a new project, and we'll call it Demo 1 Create Project. So if you haven't done it so, you'll need to download also the Atavism package. Once again, you can find it in your panel. Go into My Downloads and click whatever you need. And this is the Atavism Unity 2.6 that we want to download. So while it's downloading, I think I already have a copy on my computer in my downloads. So I'll double click it. It should import. So here's the package. I'll do import. And while we're here, let's go back here, go on my Atavism Cloud, and you can see here all the information that you need to have about that server, right? So the server's address is demo.atavisaws.com. Your host is mysqlrds.atavisaws.com. And this is your world content and the admin database that you'll need to do. So right now I have no options as the server has not been started yet. So a good practice to do is to create your cloud account, then download what you need to download, and start installing stuff. So let me just clear these. First thing you'll want to do is go in your window and wait. Yeah, give it a couple of seconds. So now I have Atavism on my editor. Bring it back here. So answer the question here where you got it, or if you were giving a key. I have an account directly, so here you are. I'm logged in. So what you'll need to do here is change your database host. So like we checked earlier, it's my sql.rds.atavism.aws.com. Part actually is 306, but you can just leave it blank. This you'll need to change, so this is demo underscore. My user that I selected, so it was demo, and the password here. And you see success. You do the same thing for the second one. And database name is demo underscore admin, and my username and my password. And let's do test connection. All is good. I can close down that window. Now I'll go into the project, I'll go into Seats, and I'll go into the login. And I click on the Atavism core. And in the master server here, so it was demo.atavism.aws.com. Remember, you need to do apply or it won't work. So click apply. This has set the prefab. Now I'll go into the build setting. And I'll drag in login, character selection, and main world. And by the time you do that, usually your server is up and ready to run. You see, it's running, ready to run. So it took about like a bit more than 2 minutes, maybe like around 5 minutes, since we're doing some updates to the 2.6.1. But if I press play now, and I'm going to register the account. Put the password here. And hit create. Account created. Login. And now everything is running correctly. You can choose my class and create my character, hit create, and I'm ready to enter my world. So this new service is pretty cool, because actually a lot of people had problems in the past setting up their server. I think for the price it's pretty good to have like 10 people on your servers running around. You can build whatever you need afterward. There'll be more tutorials on how to expand that module, how to add crafting recipes and everything. But that was mostly for the part for the cloud service. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Once again, my name is Jean-Sébastien Charles. Hope you enjoyed this video. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.